Hey there, friends. Welcome back to Unstoppable You. Today, we're diving deep into something that can completely transform your life in just 1 week. Yes, you heard it right. 1 week. We all want to make positive changes in our lives, but sometimes it feels overwhelming. Where do you even start? Well, I've got the answer for you. It's not about making massive changes overnight. It's about adopting small, powerful habits that add up quickly. In this video, I'm going to share with you 13 incredible habits that can change your life in just 7 days. And don't worry, I'll break each habit down step by step so you know exactly how to implement them. So grab a pen and paper, hit that like button if you find this helpful, and let's get started. Habit number 1. Start your day with intention. Starting your day with intention means setting a clear purpose or goal for the day before anything else happens. Instead of letting life happen to you, you take control of what you want to achieve. How to do it? As soon as you wake up, sit quietly for a few minutes. Ask yourself, what do I want to accomplish today? Or how do I want to feel today? Write down 1 to 3 specific intentions. For example, I will stay focused on my work, or I will treat others kindly. When to do it? First thing in the morning. Ideally within the first 5 to 10 minutes after waking up. Example, imagine Sarah wakes up at 7 a.m. She takes 5 minutes to think about her day. Her intention is simple. Today, I will finish my project. Report and spend quality time with my family. This sets her mindset for productivity and connection throughout the day. Why it works? By starting with intention, you align your actions with your values and goals. You avoid wasting time on things that don't matter and focus on what truly does. Habit number 2. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is the practice of acknowledging the good things in your life, no matter how big or small. It shifts your focus from what's lacking to what you already have. How to do it? Keep a gratitude journal. Every morning or evening, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Be specific. Instead of saying family, say, I'm grateful for my mom's delicious cooking, or I'm thankful for my brother's support. When to do it? Morning or night, whichever works best for you. Morning gratitude sets a positive tone. And for the day, while nighttime gratitude helps you reflect on the positives before sleep. Example, John writes in his journal every night. One entry says, I'm grateful for the sun shining today. It made my walk more enjoyable. I'm also grateful for my friend who called me to check in. Lastly, I'm grateful for coffee. It fuels my mornings. Why it works? Studies show that practicing gratitude reduces stress, improves relationships, and boosts overall happiness. It trains your brain to look for the good in every situation. Habit number 3. Drink more water. Staying hydrated is crucial for your physical and mental health. Most people don't drink enough water, which leads to fatigue, headaches, and poor concentration. How to do it? Carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere. Set reminders on your phone to drink water every hour. Aim for at least 8 glasses, 64 ounces per day, adjusting based on your activity level and climate. When to do it? Throughout the day. Try drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning to kickstart your metabolism. Example, Maria used to forget to drink water until she started carrying a 24-ounce bottle with her. She refills it twice a day and tracks her intake using an app. Now she feels more energized and less sluggish. Why it works? Water supports digestion, regulates body temperature, and keeps your skin glowing. Plus, staying hydrated makes you feel lighter and clearer mentally. Habit number 4. Limit screen time. Screen time refers to the hours spent staring at phones, tablets, computers, and TVs. While screens are part of modern life, excessive use can harm your mental health and productivity. How to do it? Track your daily. Screen time using apps like Moment or Digital Well-being. Set boundaries. No phones during meals. No scrolling before bed, etc. Replace screen time with activities like reading, exercising, or spending time outdoors. When to do it? Start by limiting screen time during key moments of the day, such as breakfast, dinner, and bedtime. Example, David noticed he was spending 2 hours a day on social media without realizing it. He set a timer for 30 minutes and turned off notifications. Now he uses that extra time to read books and meditate. Why it works: reducing screen time lowers stress, improves sleep quality, and gives you more time for meaningful activities. Habit number 5. Move your body daily. Physical movement is essential for both physical and mental well-being. Exercise doesn't have to mean hitting the gym. It can be anything that gets your body moving. How to do it? Choose an activity you enjoy: walking, dancing, yoga, cycling, swimming, etc. Commit to at least 30 minutes of movement per day. Break it into smaller chunks if needed. 10 minutes here, 10 minutes there. When to do it? Anytime. Some people prefer morning workouts to boost energy, while others like evening sessions to unwind. Example: Emma hated traditional exercise but loved dancing. So she started doing 20-minute dance workouts at home. Not only did she lose weight, but she also gained confidence and had fun. Why it works: exercise releases endorphins, improves mood, strengthens muscles, and enhances cardiovascular health. Habit number 6. Eat mindfully. Mindful eating means paying full attention to your food. How? It tastes, smells, and feels. It's about savoring each bite rather than rushing through meals. How to do it? Turn off distractions like TV or phones during meals. Chew slowly and savor the flavors. Listen to your body's hunger cues and stop when you're satisfied, not stuffed. When to do it? During every meal and snack. Example: Tom used to eat lunch at his desk while working. He realized he wasn't enjoying his food and often overate. Now he takes 15 minutes to eat outside in the park. He chews slowly and notices how fresh his salad tastes. Why it works. Mindful eating prevents overeating, improves digestion, and increases satisfaction with meals. Habit number 7. Practice deep breathing. Deep breathing involves taking slow, controlled breaths to calm your nervous system and reduce stress. How to do it? Find a quiet place to sit or lie down. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold for 4, then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6. Repeat for 5-10 minutes. When to do it? Whenever you feel stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed. Morning and evening are great times too. Example: Rachel practiced deep breathing whenever she felt nervous before presentations. She'd close her eyes, breathe deeply, and instantly felt calmer. Why it works. Deep breathing lowers cortisol levels, slows your heart rate, and promotes relaxation. Habit number 8. Get enough sleep. Sleep is vital for physical recovery, mental clarity, and emotional balance. Prioritizing sleep ensures you wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the day. How to do it? Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Dim lights, read a book, or listen to calming music. Avoid screens for at least an hour before bed. When to do it? Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Example: Mike struggled with insomnia until he created a consistent bedtime routine. He stopped watching TV an hour before bed and replaced it with meditation. Within a week, he fell asleep faster and woke up feeling energized. Why it works. Quality sleep boosts memory, creativity, and problem-solving skills while reducing irritability and fatigue. Habit number 9, say no to negativity. Negativity comes in many forms: self-criticism, toxic relationships, pessimistic thinking. Saying no to negativity means replacing those thoughts and influences with positivity. How to do it? Pay attention to your inner dialogue. If you catch yourself being harsh, reframe the thought positively. Distance yourself from people or situations that drain your energy. Surround yourself with uplifting content like motivational quotes or podcasts. When to do it? All day long. The moment you notice negativity creeping in, address it immediately. Example: Lila used to criticize herself constantly. When she failed a test, she told herself, "You're so stupid." After learning to reframe her thoughts, she said, "Mistakes help me learn. I'll study harder next time." Why it works? Positive thinking attracts positive outcomes. It builds resilience and improves self-esteem. Habit number 10. Learn something new every day. Learning keeps your mind sharp and opens doors to new opportunities. Even small amounts of learning can lead to significant growth over time. How to do it? Dedicate 15 to 30 minutes daily to learning. Watch educational videos, listen to podcasts, or read articles. Take notes to reinforce what you've learned. Share what you've learned with someone else. It solidifies the knowledge. When to do it? Whenever you have free time, morning, lunch break, or evening. Example: Brian learned a new word every day from a vocabulary app. By the end of the week, he expanded his language skills and impressed colleagues during meetings. Why it works? Continuous learning stimulates the brain, increases curiosity, and prepares you for challenges. Habit number 11. Connect with people who inspire. You surrounding yourself with inspiring people can motivate you to grow and achieve your goals. How to do it? Reach out to friends, mentors, or colleagues who inspire you. Schedule regular calls or meetups to catch up. Join groups or communities where you can connect with like-minded individuals. When to do it? At least once a week. Make it a priority to nurture these relationships. Example: Samantha joined a local entrepreneurship group. Meeting other business owners gave her fresh ideas and encouragement to pursue her dream. Why it works? Inspiring people challenge you, support you, and push you to become the best version of yourself. Habit number 12. Declutter your space. Clutter creates chaos in your mind and environment. Decluttering simplifies your life and creates space for peace and productivity. How to do it? Spend 10-15 minutes each day tidying up one area of your home or workspace. Use the KonMari method. Keep only items that spark joy. Donate or discard items you no longer need. When to do it? Daily, focusing on different areas each time. Example: Natalie decluttered her bedroom closet. Removing old clothes made her feel lighter and more organized. She even found forgotten items she loved again. Why it works? A clean space reduces stress, improves focus, and encourages mindfulness. Habit number 13. Reflect and adjust. Reflection allows you to evaluate your progress and make necessary adjustments. It's about learning from experiences and improving over time. How to do it? At the end of each day, ask yourself, what went well today and what could I improve tomorrow? Write down your reflections in a journal, celebrate small wins, and plan for bigger ones. When to do it? Evening is ideal, but any time works as long as you're consistent. Example: Kevin reflected on his week and realized he procrastinated on important tasks. He decided to set timers for focused work sessions the following week, and it worked. why it works. Reflection fosters self-awareness, accountability, and continuous improvement. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. 13 powerful habits that can change your life in just 1 week. Remember, consistency is key. Even if you only pick 1 or 2 habits to start with, that's okay. Small steps lead to big results. Which habit resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep striving, keep growing, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You've got this.